What's going on, everyone? Just wanted to hop on here real quick to make a video about this insane space play that was called out last night in the pre-market plan. Hopefully someone out there capitalized on this with me, but it was an absolute monster move today. Analysis was right on point. Absolute amazing golden play that could have made a lot of money on. So first thing I noticed here was a cup and handle on the 4-hour chart. I drew it out here for you so you could see it a little bit clearly. If you don't know what the cup and handle is, simply just do a Google search or look at one of our tabs going here. But it was an awesome play here, and pretty much what happened was we had the cup here and then the handle sort of going down here, and then as you can see it exploded today. But last night I was looking at sort of the cup and handle play here, and then I also saw that within this 4-hour handle, if we go down to a 30-minute chart, we can actually see another cup and handle forming inside the cup and handle, which is actually kind of insane. Double confirmation, a lot of good things going for this thing. And I said, all right, we have a demand zone down here. I think it was a 3-hour zone. Let me just confirm that. Yep, it was a 3-hour zone here. And I said, if price comes back down to this 3-hour zone, we're going to see a explosion, which is exactly what happened here. So I was super stoked when we saw that. And then if we go over to our entry platform, which is Think or Swim, I saw that as price was coming in here, we were going down, and I'm on the 5-minute chart here. We had a volume spike in demand here, which is huge. We had an RVOL spike, relative volume was going crazy, and we took it all the way to VWAP and had a nice 60-cent move. You could have even held it even longer to this 3-hour supply, which if I had more contracts to play with, I should have, but it was just a quick kind of scalp in and out because I didn't really know what was going on. But the ideal play would have been hold here and go all the way up to $34, which is the 3-hour supply, which I should have done. That was my mistake and could have made a ton of money, and it worked out really nicely. So I hope you guys learned something from that. I'll just go over one more time. Pretty much what this is, a volume spike. That means all the institutions are getting their orders filled here for a leg higher, which is exactly what we saw here. We had a major trend line here. This is what this orange line is here, actually. You saw it had a little bit of trouble here, but look at that again. Volume spike, volume picked in again, and boom, all the way into 3-hour supply. And you actually could have shorted. I wouldn't have shorted it just because you had this massive move up here. Definitely would have waited for a retest and something like that. But you guys, I guess you could have shorted because there was a volume spike here down to here, and just would have been careful with taking profit. But yeah, I wouldn't have shorted this thing, even though it did come into supply. But it was just a monster move to the upside, and don't want to step in front of a train, so that's what happened, and it was an awesome play. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks.